Hey guys, welcome to Techmates. Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Reels not showing. So first thing first, this happens if your application is not updated or has a glitch in itself. Make sure it is updated. So head over to your Play Store and then search for Instagram. If your application shows open, that means it is already updated. If it shows update, tap on update and update your app. Next, head over to your settings. Scroll below, select apps. Here also type in Instagram, tap onto it, go for storage, clear the cache. Once done, come back onto app info page, force stop and then OK. Once done, open your Instagram again, tap on this reel button, and everything will be shown right here. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. If it had helped you in any ways, hit the like button and subscribe to our Techmates for more tutorials like this. If you want guaranteed answer to your question, join our Techmates membership today. Members get priority responses to your comments. The link is right down below.